I got my composure back. Okay, I'm back. All right, so the next one is the crunch, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now the crunch was just created in the last month because I had another special student. We just couldn't get it together.
Mm-hmm.
So the crunch is just like when you actually exercise and you get ready to do a real crunch.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. I see it. Good. So it's the same. So just think, put one hand above the belly button. Lord, I need. So you see what I'm saying?
Yes.
Uh-huh. So
Lord, I need you. Oh, I need you.
then you go back for the next phrase.
Every hour I need you.
Look, we put that into practice. Did you
Yes,
see
right.
that? Now,
Yeah.
can you do the crunch without the just kind of lean back? Lord, it's kind of like that thought.
Lord, I need